Hello students, how are you? So yesterday in group I have sent you some other notes of networking and I told you I'll explain you in the next upcoming video. So I'm going to explain you that notes. First question is what is the difference between LAN and WAN? Okay, LAN and WAN. So it's a simple difference is very clear to you. It covers small geographical area like a campus because whenever we establish a LAN can be only established within a small area, in a building, in a campus, in a university. LAN speed is high as compared to WAN. Okay, and LAN is easily maintained and relatively low cost. If you see the first difference, ये small area में है, but it covers broad area because it covers country to country. एक country से दूसरी country से जब हम communication करेंगे, then we will use WAN. So LAN speed is faster than WAN as it's a small area, so that's why speed is higher. As it cover the huge difference, so that means its speed is slow than LAN. Third is a LAN is easier maintain relatively low cost because it's in the small area, so that's why it can be maintained easily. But it is expensive. WAN is expensive because it's a geographical coverage. Expensive क्यों है? Because it is geographical means from one country to another country or globally. So that's why maintenance cost is high. So I hope this difference is clear to you. Next one is name some wired transmission media. As I told you also कि if we categorize the networking, तो basically it is of wired networking and wireless. अगर हम communication कर रहे हैं, suppose you are sending the data or you are sending your voice message or anything you are sending through the internet, there is only two transmission media. अब data उनके पास पहुंच कैसे रहा है? Whether they are following the wires communication means your data traveling through the wire signals. Otherwise data is traveling through the wireless means through the microwave, through the radio waves. First I am going to explain you the most important transmission media, that is a wired transmission media. One is a twisted pair cable, one is a coaxial cable, one is a optical fiber cable. I'll show you the figure of each cables. Now if you see, first I'm going to tell you twisted pair cable. If you see, I hope you all have seen this kind of wires also. ये telephone lines वाले use करते हैं when they are giving you the connection of internet. Simple wire. Okay, this is a gray like sheet. Then inside there is a combination of colors wires are there. Then is a copper wire. In that way, this is a twisted pair, and it is a this is the cheapest one wire. Means it costs less and uh, easily maintained also. This is a twisted pair wire. Okay, so this is commonly used everywhere, commonly used when you are means taking the internet connection. So they often use this kind of wire, twisted pair name क्यों? Because each wire is twisted together, that's why it's a twisted pair. Now the next one is this is coaxial cable. This wire is relatively high cost as compared to your twisted pair cable. Because twisted pair में क्या है कि disadvantage है. Disadvantage means it can be spoiled early or it can be break early. But जो coaxial wire है, if you see that it's coated with black jacket, then there is some kind of material. If you see best example of this, ये wire सभी ने देखी है, सबके घर पे केबल टीवी है. The wire is used by the cable TV operator is your coaxial wire. Okay, it's a high speed. Its speed is high as compared to the twisted pair, but it depends upon the budget also. If somebody is establishing LAN, then they can use coaxial wire also. There is no problem in that, but they have to see the budget also. They are able to manage within that way because its cost is high. So और इसकी speed भी high है. Speed high मतलब if twisted pair taking, suppose the data is sent from twisted pair reached in 5 minutes, just I'm giving you the example, then using this it can reach within a 3 minutes or 2 minutes. This much speed is high. So In that way, coaxial cable. Okay, this is a copper wire, so you can use this also. And the last one is, this is the most expensive wire, as well as it can embed in the walls also, or it can embed in inside the floor also. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं हम ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल. इट यूज इलेक्ट्रिक, इट यूज लाइट सिग्नल्स. ओके, इसमें लाइट सिग्नल यूज होते हैं टू फॉर द डेटा ट्रांसमिशन. सो ये बहुत कॉस्टली वायर है, एज वेल एज इट it is not it means I can say it is unbreakable, and it is not getting spoiled early. So क्योंकि the thing which we can embed in the wall, that means we have to see whether we have to embed or not. अगर कोई चीज हम wall में embed कर रहे हैं, so that means it's a very good material, because wall में तभी embed करेंगे अगर कोई problem future में ना आए. If there is a problem, then we have to means we have to break the wall also to check the fault in the cable. So that's why it's a very expensive cable. Data transmission speed is very high, but it is too much costly. Okay, so आजकल जितनी भी नेटवर्किंग वायर्स बिछी हुई हैं नीचे टेलीफोन कम्युनिकेशन के लिए, they all use the optical fiber cable. I hope these wired transmission media is clear to you. Okay, now come to the second one. Name some wireless transmission media. Come to the, there are lot many wired communication में there are 3 1. Now in the nowadays we all are following the wireless. Okay, some are use wired also, wireless also. What is a microwave communication? देखो, microwave communication is a straight line communication. Microwave is an electromagnetic wave in the frequency range of about 2 to 40 गीगाहर्ट्ज. इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 से लेके 40 गीगाहर्ट्ज तक होती है, बट इट इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन कम्युनिकेशन. स्ट्रेट लाइन कम्युनिकेशन क्यों बोला जाता है? सपोज यू वांट टू कम्युनिकेट टू दी एनीवन, then you have to appoint 2 antennas. I just show you the this figure. If you see, there are 2 antennas. Okay, one is a transmission line, means if you want to communicate through radio wave, आप communication तो कर पाओगे, but receiver and transmission antenna should be straight, एक दूसरे के सामने होने चाहिए. सामने मतलब distance can be there, but the communication line, the antenna's direction should be straight to each other, then only you are able to do the communication. But इसमें क्या है, जो microwave है, they are not detected by the human eye. So that's why it's a wireless communication. Okay, one is a transmission antenna, transmission line, then input transmit होगा, फिर दूसरे एंटीने पे जाएगा, then they receive the signal, then they give you bounce back for that, then in that way you are able to do the communication through the microwave. Now the next one is your radio wave. Radio wave क्या है बेटे? Radio wave is a transmission like a visible radio wave, like visible light, infrared, ultraviolet, X-rays and gamma rays are electromagnetic wave that do travel through a vacuum medium. इसमें क्या होता है? This is also not detected by the human eye, but इसमें क्या है? It can travel in any direction. But I told you, in microwave you have to put the antennas in a straight direction, then only you are able to do the communication. But in the radio wave there is no restriction for that. अगर आप आजकल देखो मोबाइल फोन्स और वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन, दे आर यूजिंग द रेडियो वेव्स. ओके, सो इन दैट वे you can say it's it can travel any direction. Any direction means there is no restriction for that, and that's why data is traveling. Okay, so this is the difference. Down the next is a satellite communication. Satellite communication is a kind of very fast communication. If you want to see the example of this, you all have the live example of this. I think you all have the dish TV at your home. जो आपके ऊपर डिश का जो रिसीवर लगा हुआ है, जो आप घर के ऊपर लगाते हो रूफ के ऊपर, तो वो क्या है? सैटेलाइट का रिसीवर है. मीन्स इफ यू सी दैट द सिग्नल इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द क्लाउड्स. क्लाउड मतलब ऊपर एक सैटेलाइट छोड़ा गया है, जो हमारा जो रूफ पे लगा हुआ एंटीना है वो सिग्नल को रिसीव करता है. इफ यू सी दैट हाउ योर केबल टीवी कम्स टू यू, हाउ यू गेटिंग द चैनल्स, whatever the channel you are liking or you are watching in the TV, how that particular communication happen or particular signal received. The receiver is appointed is on the roof, and that signal is received from the satellite, and that reach to your set top box, and that's why you're able to see the particular channel, what is a Discovery channel or PTC or whatever the channel. So this is how this is called satellite communication. Signal हमने satellite से ऊपर, satellite क्या है, satellite is the sky, and from the sky we are receiving the signal, and same is transmitted to your TV through the set top box. If you see that sometime, if you observe that if your clouds are not clear, there is a means weather is not fine, that time you are not getting good clarity in your cable TV because the receiving capacity of the receiver is not appropriate, means there is a problem of receiving signal या उसके पास अब signal पहुंच नहीं रहे due to the bad weather. So in that way, I hope this is also clear to you. Then is a infrared communication. Infrared communication is a type of light which is not visible by the human eye. The best example of this I can give you your TV remote. TV remote में क्या होगा, अगर आपने देखा होगा, in the TV remote there is a red light in the front of your remote. वो रेड लाइट से एक इंफ्रारेड रेज निकलती है. इफ यू सी योर एलईडी और एलसीडी पे भी एक लाइट लगी होती है विच इज द रिसीविंग सेंसर फॉर दैट इंफ्रारेड लाइट. अगर आप रिमोट के आगे अपना हाथ रख लो और कोई चैनल, मींस इफ यू प्रेस एनी बटन और यू वांट टू चेंज द चैनल, देन इट विल नॉट चेंज दैट चैनल. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके बीच में आपका हाथ इंटरप्ट आ गया और रेज इज नॉट गेटिंग पास थ्रू. लेकिन जब आप हाथ उठा लोगे और सिंपली यू क्लिक्ड any button, then you are able to do the changes. But वो हो कैसे रहा है? Because infrared rays आपके remote से निकली and it hits to the particular sensor which is located in your LCD, and that's why you see, and that's why the channel gets changed or whatever you want to do, that change happened. So this is called infrared communication. इसकी frequency low होती है. If you see, if I talk about the earlier days mobile, that technology was used in that mobile phone. If you want to transmit your data through the infrared, so you have to on the infrared in both the mobiles and place together, and you are able to share your whatever the data you want to share, but the frequency is low. Now the next was is a Bluetooth. Bluetooth communication सबको clear है. Wireless communication, a wireless technology used in mobile phones to share the data. Okay, but its range is high. Then is a Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. It is a Wi-Fi communication, means you have through the microwave or radio wave, through the radio waves. Because if you see that you have a Wi-Fi modem at home, okay, what you are able to do, आप क्या करते हो, wireless है, and you are able to connect the internet connection by using mobile phone or laptop. वो क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि radio waves हैं, wireless है. आप क्या करते हो, आप just if there whatever the credentials are there, आपने कोई पासवर्ड लगाया तो पासवर्ड फिल करके you are able to do the connectivity of that. क्योंकि एंटीना क्या है, सिग्नल्स कहाँ से आ रहे हैं, आपके वाईफाई मॉडेम के एंटीना से. So वो सिग्नल हम रिसीव करते हैं in our mobile phone and we are able to do the connectivity. So last, I think this wireless communication is also clear to you. Now next is a cloud computing. Cloud computing क्या होता है? Explainer's time. देखिए, cloud computing is a way to keep your data in your on the remote location. देखो, remote location का मतलब होता है कि आप अपना डेटा कहीं ऑनलाइन रखना चाहते हो. You don't want to keep it in your personal PC, but you want to take your data or want to keep your data in some online location. ताकि in future if something happen, I can easily get my data. Okay, तो cloud is a way to store your data remotely. Remotely का मतलब ऑनलाइन. तो इसमें आपको एग्जांपल के तौर पे आप गूगल ड्राइव पे अपना डेटा रख सकते हो, एप्पल आई क्लाउड पे रख सकते हो, Amazon क्लाउड ड्राइव है. There are lot many clouds method are there to save your data. Now there are three types of clouds are there. One is a public cloud. Public cloud means these are the services that run over the internet and are potentially accessible to the public. If you see that, अगर आप पब्लिक क्लाउड की बात करो, गूगल इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल. तो गूगल क्या है, गूगल का सारा डेटा क्या है, गूगल के सर्वर पे पड़ा है, बट दैट इज यूज फॉर द पब्लिक यूज. अब डेटा देखो उनके पास ऑनलाइन पड़ा है, बट एक्सेस क्या कौन कर रहा है, यू आर द यूजर और द एनी पीपल कैन एक्सेस दैट. तो दैट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ अ पब्लिक क्लाउड.
Then is a private cloud. Private cloud, it is owned by a single company that are delivered to IT source from a within a corporate firewall under the control of IT department. Because private cloud means the company, any company or any organization, they use their private cloud. Means they store their data on remote location, but they have, might be they paid for that or might be they developed by themselves. Data on a remote location पे रखा, but they have used their own network, own platform to store their data. उसको हम बोलते हैं private cloud. Okay. Then we have a hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud means it is the combination of both private and public cloud. Private and public cloud means if you see बैंक ऑनलाइन स्टोरेज, बैंक ऑनलाइन स्टोरेज की बात करें तो इनका जो डेटा है वो हाइब्रिड क्लाउड है. हाइब्रिड क्लाउड मींस whatever the information they want to give to the public, they are publicly accessed by the everyone. Suppose बैंक की terms and condition क्या है, what will be the procedure to open the saving account and all that. But if we talk about the private, what will be the privacy? They allow you to do the transaction only for your account only, not the rest data. So this can be the example of hybrid. इसमें private cloud भी consider है and public भी. So this is called hybrid cloud. Now the last one is some application of what is multimedia. The mixture of multiple medias such as text, graphics, audio and video is called multimedia. ठीक है. मल्टीमीडिया में क्या है, नेम से ही क्लियर है, मल्टीमीडिया, मिक्सचर ऑफ मल्टीपल मीडिया, जिसमें ऑडियो भी आए, टेक्स्ट भी आए, वीडियो भी आए, चैट सॉरी टेक्स्ट, साउंड भी आए, as well as graphics is also there. Okay, so this is called multimedia. Multimedia use कहाँ पे होता है, education, engineering, business industry. Education में क्या है, if you see your smart classes, videos जो चलती हैं ICR में जो देखते हो वो education ही है, वो multimedia है. But in education, अगर आप you are talking about the engineer how they are using the multimedia, they are giving simulation training. They are trained their people, say computer simulation for industry, military training or any mean, वो क्या करते हैं, simulation environment बनाते हैं through multimedia or show the video to their employees so that they can learn. Then we have entertainment. Entertainment means you are playing the game, you are watching the video on YouTube. That is also the example of multimedia. Then is a business and industry. If you see business and industry, में if you preparing the PowerPoint presentation, that is also the multimedia example. Because PowerPoint presentation is the graphics also there, animation is also there, as well as audio and video content is also there. Okay, now what is the main component? Last is a text. Text आपको पता, written material. Then as a image are these are the static images. Static image means still image, whatever the image. Suppose you are preparing a PowerPoint presentation और ये वहाँ पे आप image use कर सकते हो. Then we have a graphics. You know that if you want to create graphics in your presentation, transition लगा दिया, transition effect लगा दिया, so that are the graphics. Then if you want to record the sound, then is the sound is also the component of multimedia. You can record your own sound or you want to play a song also. Then as an animation, animation means if you give movement to some object, आप किसी चीज को कुछ हरकत दे रहे हो, so that interest can be generated. When you want to generate the interest in audience, you have to do the animation. Okay, and the last is a video. Video is a powerful communication, means clear cut instruction. What is, जब आप overall आप presentation ready करते हो या और overall you are making a video ready, that's why that means it's a video. Video means clear cut instruction. अगर उसमें text नीचे चल रहा है तो that means text material है, graphics भी है, audio भी है, sound भी है. So whole is considered as video. I hope these notes are clear to you, but still if you have any doubt you can ask to me anytime. Thank you. Have a nice day.